and beer no in buta. You know in buta pa. Where they put them to, they put them for them and get him off so that they go use them. Where every security man beer them in radio, bro, they don't take joke. Parents they will take them a radio joke. If you go security man in there, where in radio you off and pa there, that means something they what, something they worry am. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind. Charlie, that be my name, me na my name. And this be celebrity what? Yawa, celebrity yawa. Charlie, make I talk you something. If you don't subscribe to the channel, it be what? Too much GH, too much GH. If I subscribe and because everything be away they go on for social media talk. It be me now where I will come explain them very well so that you go say I'm very well. So every bro where your body, where they use phone, where you get smartphone, there. If I make the person know subscribe to what? Too much GH. Charlie, you know the social media top no? We did top 24/7. 24/7 the video. Make I talk you what Shatawale no. Something good way happen to him or something where Ghana make you what it happen. Make I talk you. Shatawale appears in the Creative Arts textbook approved by GES. We know Shatawale, the self-acclaimed dancer artist where they Ghana here, where Charlie, you matter than things there, we know the top. Pass you go talk part there, you know go finish the talk. Right now the GES, the creative art industry, the GES, then what? They approve them for their primary textbook inside. The primary 4 textbook inside where they put in picture for them. Where Charlie, they rep some of in biography. The date where they born them, the date where they born them where Charlie in his songs too where Charlie do no way plenty people they tell them things They put some of in his songs for them, make the kiddies learn, make them really stress and tense where Charlie plenty people will know say Shatawale be real what musician. You know happen before. You know happen for Ghana history before say musician where you appear for the national textbook inside Pandia. You know happen, but Shatawale has been what? Has been there. That be what they go on for Shatawale in life inside. You can't talk no, you know say in France there, plenty people go talk where people too they don't support the movement need to. They can't talk. We know say we there we are for the street, social media there, you be street where we they talk. So anything be where they go on, I can't talk. Where celebrity I want to for come, then come explain, show you, then you go what? You go tear say. Then talk say we Shatawale now we know you say you be controversial then things. You see what the government do give you. Right now, then come put you for textbooks inside where the kiddies no go learn more about you than 10. So right now, no, if for portray good behavior, I say now if Shatawale no they portray good behavior, I can go put them for that. Where some fun big boss say no. Shatawale the way you do it, they insult people. The way you do it now, you do invoice and things. So I say, hey Charlie, wait a minute, Shatawale cry why for day there? Why Shatawale for day there? Shatawale did here say you will come the national book inside. If Shatawale know what you do, you don't do anything. Just say you did these people. So the boy saying to him, they come talking boy say the music way they do no, they can't these people then things before the what the Ghanaian people no the music people no go no say them to then they exist. Shatawale no they here say go dey the book inside so that children will learn in behavior. In behavior they no good cry. The way you do now is sag and jeans. The way you do now they talk either and the women they talk foolish things for back top and the pan there. You know go help the kiddies cry say make them learn and make them copy what they talk. Well another fan to come we can talk say Shatawale no. You know saying in Akasano what they do for in life inside and things where they can social media talk. But if you listen to some of his song now, some song like Prove Them Wrong, that song you go motivate you say no matter what you did, no matter the level where you did for life inside, people go talk to say untimi here, at the end untimi here until you now for Prove Them Wrong say oh bet me don't why then I shame my then I hear my then I then come on the way people they did some I don't know say they not be in fans or something. They say Ghana genius, you know, they not get sense. The sense new way they get, you know, you be low level crowd. How you go if you put Shatawale for textbook inside, make you didn't learn in what in behavior, make you learn in song and thing. You people go put maybe say we go love on ourselves, we go do what, we go show kindness to ourselves. No, Shatawale what you they preach? All you they preach say you go date someone. All you they preach we say you go make people what? You go make people fear them and things where we talk what in matter way it's not to cause violence and things. So GS, you know, they say they not fault. Another matter to come. The matter where it come now. We know say the awards with African Choice Award. If you don't know one, recently they do a virtual African Choice Award. You know, they do a virtual. The likes of Burna Boy, the likes of Davido, and the likes of Shatawale. Eventually they mention the awards. You know, Shatawale where you win the award. The award in the way you win, the likes of Burna Boy and Davido no. Davido then Burna Boy no get time. You Shatawale way what? You get the award no. You get the award no to na way Charlie. Controversy than things come top say Burna Boy and Ankasa. See the way you get more streams than things. When they say Burna Boy and Ankasa, he shine, the video need to know, he voice the beat. invoice where they be into, you know they take invoice they do anything. When African ankasa, they don't know what they wrong, what the African artist and things. When plenty people they talk say, well Shatawale, everything be Shatawale. Stonebwoy today where they give us correct lyrical what, correct lyrical content, them flows and things. Why didn't they push Shatawale for them? I talk say, hey, now you people cry, why Shatawale, what Shatawale do you people cry? Shatawale do this and they say, hey, Shatawale go do this and they say, hey, what he do? You want some fans you say, or Shatawale he start to sort people out or he start to buy award and things. Some fans be where you talk, where some fans be where Shatawale in front can talk say Shatawale you go jail money say you go buy award. You know go tear down in recent track where either where the shade do where you be hating this say award, you know they give money the intense. But another fan to show say you be camera, you be song okay, then go fit talk. But they no go fit do am. You go fit go backside and go backstage then go buy the award say this award no me and they like am so make we do am the intent. Where you say if you come money the video then Burna Boy then get money pass Shatawale cry. Them now they go fit go buy the award. We say no recently no Shatawale no they trust am for so many products and things. So you go fit gather money then go buy the award say crying cry no. If you no get award cry the likes of Burna Boy, the likes of Davido, me, the award, no, you get them. We are saying, hey, Charlie, this one, if you listen to mankind, bro, you know go do something. If you listen to human, well, if you listen to people where Charlie they sabotage you know go what? You know go balance give you where you know go focus say this thing and they hear I know they hear I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, it be me now, me. Charlie, I talk to you earlier. If you don't subscribe to the channel, I they talk to you make you subscribe. You what? Too much GH. Subscribe because I didn't be a possible be on social media. You better catch it. You better what I say. On an apple with your on tears and you better catch it. No man, I say so that you on an tears. I will be tea. No, I catch it. No, I church in here. Actually, no be beer. No one say, I did possible we are sick beer. Oh, yeah, then win him. That's what I want to talk you. Prayer always work. Pow, pow, pow.
Yo, too much GH nie Ghana for ahwe for etie for onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa on my Ghana so e na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na da bia mehwe abroche for ene Ghana for mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH.